Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot with the back tab. So go to your settings. Okay guys, so open your settings, then go to accessibility. Okay, then go to touch. Okay, here scroll down till the bottom, then you will see back tab. Just tap there. Okay, now for double tap, just tap on known, then select screenshot. Okay, let's go back. Okay, if you want to select anything for triple tap, you can go with anything you want. Lots of features are there. Check all this feature and tell me what is your favorite. So for now, let's go back. Okay, now let's try if double tap is working for screenshot. As you can see, screenshot is perfectly working. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can take a screenshot with a back tab. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.